Hey friends, let's learn All Out of Love guitar lesson by Air Supply. I'll talk you through all the guitar parts, all with on-screen tab and chord charts to make it easier to follow along. Let's make a start. I'll play the intro, then we'll break it down. So we're starting on this C chord and we're just going to be arpeggio picking. So we play the A string, the D, the G, the E, back to the G, the B, the G, then play the third fret again on the A, then go to the second fret on the A, and this time we're doing a G over B. So we're playing second fret A, open, D, third fret on the B, back to the E, to the G, B, G, second fret on the A, to an open A. This time we're doing an F over A, so open A, and then we have the D string, the G string, the E string, back to the G, B, G, open E this time. Now we're doing an F bar chord, so we're just going to play the E string and then jump to the D, G, B. Then we're doing this G7 chord. We're going to play the third fret on the E string, third fret on the D string. This time we're going to play the open G and B string and hammer onto the first fret on the B string. Then go back to the C and play the A, the D, the G, the E, the G, the B. Now we play the third fret on the E string, do the open D, then go back to the C chord, A, D, open G, open E, G, B, G. And that's our intro there, so it's pretty confusing, so let me do it slowly for you. To the G over B, to the F over A, to the F bar chord, and that's our intro there. Now we have our verse. Let me play that for you. Before we go on, if you're enjoying the lesson, please like and subscribe and say good day in the comments. We have new songs and lessons every week. You can also make a small donation on my Patreon page, and that really helps out. So let's get back into it. So this time we're starting, coming from the intro, we're doing the open A, and then we're just going to this F chord here. Now I'm just not barring the whole F, I'm just barring the E and the B string, and we're playing the A, and then the G, B, E, back to G, and then E, B, G. So. Then just to a C chord, the A string, the G, B, E, back to the G, and then B, G, D, that's the one there. Then go back to that F chord and do it the same as before. Back to the C chord and do that the same. Back to the F chord the same again. This time we're going to our G over B, play the A string, the open G, the B, the E, back to the G, B, G, D. So. Then to our F over A, so just the F chord with the open A string, so A string and then G, B, D, G, E, B, back to G there. Now the first time through, we just go to an F chord, play the E string, G, B, E, and then we're going same end we did with that G7 there. So we're going to have third fret E, third fret on the D string, open G and B, and hammer onto the first fret. So. That's the first time through. The second time through, we don't play that open A, we just go straight from our G7 to our F chord there. Then we play it all the way through up to the F bar chord, but this time we play the E string, to our G7 again, this time E string, D string, G, B, E, B, G, D. That's the second time through from that F. And that's our verse there. Then we have our chorus. Let me play that for you. So guitar one, we're just doing the C chord. We're just going to play the root note and then do a down, up, up, down, up. So then we're doing G over B. We play the root note, so the second fret on the A string, same thing again. F over A, so play the root note on the open A string. Then just do F for half a bar, so we're just playing third fret on the D string, down, up, and then to a G7, down. We do that through 2 times. So G over B, F over A, F, G7, and then to finish off we're just going back to the arpeggio picking on the C chord. So A string, D string, G, E, G, B, G, D, and do that 2 times. And that's guitar one. Now guitar two is just doing stabs on the C, G over B and F over A at the end of each bar. So we've just got a C, the B, G over B and the F over A. And that's all the second guitar's doing. From there we go back into the verse, that's exactly the same. Then the chorus again. Now the only change here is the chorus end. Instead of just going back to the C and doing it through 2 times, now we're playing. So we just do the C exactly the same as we did before. A string, D string, G, E, G, B, G, D. Now we're just going to play the third fret on the A string, open D, open G, first fret on the B. And then go to second fret on the A, open D, open G, first fret on the B. So. And that takes us to our bridge, so let's play that for you. So we're just starting with the A minor, play it once and hold for a bar, 4, and then go to an E minor and just a down, down, up, up, down, up, to an F, play and hold for half a bar, and then F, E minor, and then D minor back to a strumming pattern, down, down, up, down, up. Then we're going to an A minor and we're just arpeggio picking the A, D, G, B, E, back to B, back to G, back to D. Then go to an E minor, playing the open E string, second on the D, and then G, B, E, B, G, back to the D. Then back to the F, half a bar, and then F, E minor, so the same as before, to D minor with our strumming pattern. And now we're going to go to an F, play that once, then just take your second finger off the G string, so we've got third, open, first and first, play that once. Then go to a D minor 7, play that once, and then a G over B, and we're just playing the bottom string, so it's just the open D, open G, open B, third fret on the E, and then we just repeat that 2 times there at the end. And again. That's our bridge there. And then to finish off we go back to the chorus. We don't play through the first time and then we just keep playing the chorus through to the end. Our chord progression there of C, G over B, F over A, F and our G7 there. Repeat that all the way through to the end. and they're all the parts. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed All Out of Love Guitar Lesson. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell, and I'll see you soon.